Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on exact location on a grid. In previous videos we were introduced to the concept of the grid. We saw how objects can be placed in a grid in different locations. In this video we will see how to specify the exact location of an object on a grid. Now here's a basic grid. It's very simple. 5 squares that way and 5 squares this way. We can number the squares here on the horizontal, A, B, C, D, E, and in the vertical we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So using each letter and a number, we can locate or give a location for every single square on this grid. So let's have a look what that means. If we look at the grid on the left, we can give the exact location of any object by using both the numbers and letters. We start by picking a letter from the horizontal, that is the flat line. After that, we pick a letter from the vertical or upright line. When we combine these two together, we have an exact location on the grid. Let's look at the first example. What is the exact location of the blue circle? Here's the blue circle, see it there? So what we do, we start at this corner and we do the letters first. So we go across and we see that the letter D is lined up under the blue circle. After that we go vertically. 1, 2, 3, 4. We see that the letter 4 is lined up with the blue circle. So the exact location for the blue circle is D4. So remember, we do the letter first, or whatever is in the horizontal. Because we've got letters in the horizontal, we do those first, and we've got numbers in the vertical, we do those second. Example 2. What is the exact location of the red oval? Now there's the red oval here. So we start at the beginning. Now let's move across until we're under the red oval. That gives us the letter B. Let's move up till we are on the square of the red oval. 1, 2, 3. So you can see that the exact location is B3. Example 3. What is located at C4? So remember, we always start here at this little corner there, see? So let's go across to C. And let's go across or go up until we are level with 4. And look what we have. C4 is the smiley face. Example 4. Draw the letter W at E3. Now let's find out where E3 is. There's E. 1, 2, 3. So we draw the letter W there. What shape is one space above B1? Let's find out what B1 is. Now B1 is here. See there? So what shape is one space above B1? And there it is there, the brown square. Okay, so the answer is the brown square. Example 6. Draw the number 9. Draw the number 9 at E5. Okay, E5, so we come across to E, we go up till we're level with 5, and there is the number 9. So there's just a few little exercises on location. That wasn't too difficult. I think you understood that pretty well. Now here I've asked you 6 questions. And you'll have plenty of time to answer these, because as always you can pause this video for as long as you want to answer the questions on a sheet of paper, and I'll have the answers on the next slide. So let's quickly look at the questions. What is the exact location of the blue triangle? So this triangle here, what is the exact location of that? What is located at D4? Give the locations of the 2 moons, doesn't matter what order. Give the locations of the 2 circles, it doesn't matter what order. What is located one space west of the black square? and what is located 3 spaces south of the red rectangle. So I'll go to the answers now, and remember, in order to answer these questions, you pause this slide for as long as you want. You are in full control. So here we go now to the answers. So the blue triangle is at A5. D4 has the green star. The locations of the two moons are B3 and E5. If you wrote E5 and B3, that is correct. Give the locations of the two circles. That is C1 and C5. You can have them in any order. What is located 1 space west of the black square? Now remember, west is in this direction here, okay? It's in that direction there. So 1 space west of the black square is the yellow rectangle. And what is located 3 spaces south of the red rectangle? So there's the red rectangle. 3 spaces south, 1, 2, 3, and that's the yellow star. So this video has given you some examples on how to locate objects in a grid using the information on the horizontal axis and on the vertical axis. And remember, when giving location, you must write down the letter or the number on the horizontal axis first, followed by the vertical axis.